Hello everyone, welcome you all in the class. On the behalf of Faculty of Agricultural Sciences and Allied Industries, Rama University, me, Jitendra Ojha, specialized in agricultural economics, welcomes you all in this class. Today we have an important topic to discuss. So the topic is risk in agricultural marketing. So without delay, we go to the topic and discuss the topic. So risk in marketing. First, we should know that what is the risk. Risk means uncertainty about the price, about the cost of commodity, or loss or damage in a commodity. The uncertainty related to this is called the risk. Clear? And what is the risk? What are the risks in marketing? Like, some are the examples that shown in a slide, that are destruction of produce by fire. This is also a risk. Rodents or other elements rodents and other elements bite the grains or anything, that's called the risk. Quality deterioration is also called the risk. Price fall is an important thing that also cause the risk. Changes in the taste and habits of the fashion is also cause the risk. Risk of placing the commodity in wrong hand. If we place the commodity in wrong hand, that also create the risk. So we can say that if the time lag or time gap between production and consumption is wide, then risk is always increases. Clear? If a time gap is wide between production and consumption, so the risk is always increases. Next, we should know the how many types of risk that are first one is physical risk. Clear? Second one is price risk. Third one is institutional risk. So what is physical risk? Physical risk means the risk that occurs due to the loss of quantity or quality during marketing process. Clear? The type of risk that occurs due to the loss in quality or quantity as well, that called the physical risk. Some are the examples of physical risk are: physical risk occurs due to fire, physical risk occurs due to flood or earthquake, physical risk occurs due to rodents, insects, fungus, excessive moisture or temperature, or carelessness in handling, or unscientific storages, or improper packaging. Clear? So next one is price risk. Price risk is very important for agricultural produce. Price of agricultural items fluctuate or year to year, month to month, even week to week, or even a same day. There are no fixation in price. Actually, when the commodities availability or food items availability increases in a market, that causes reduce in prices. Clear? According to the law of supply, when a price of commodity. Clear? So this is a important fact. Next one is institutional risk. Institutional risk is the type of risk that occurs due to change in government policies, or change in tariffs or taxes, or due to movement restrictions. That type of risk is called the institutional risk. Clear? Next, we go to the minimization of risk. How can we manage the risk. So first one is reduction in physical losses. How can we reduce the risk to stop or to reduce the physical losses? We use a fireproof material in storage structures. We can use improved storage structures. We can use the better or quicker transportation methods, or use cool chain or perishable cool chain for perishable commodities. Clear? So some are the facts by which we can reduce the physical losses. Next one is transfer of risk to the insurance companies. With the help of insurance companies, we transfer the risk. Clear? On the basis of this, Government of India under 12th 5-year plan launched an integrated scheme for income security. In short, it is called ISFIS. By integrating various schemes ongoing insurance companies, there are 5 schemes under this, means 5 scheme under integrated scheme for farmers income security, like NAIS, which was launched in 1999 and to 2000. Initially it was covered 24 states and 2 UTs. NAIS means National Agriculture Insurance Scheme. Next one is pilot modified NAIS, which was covered 50 districts in 2010 and 11. Next one is WBCIS, weather based crop insurance scheme, Kharif 2007. Next one is pilot coconut palm insurance scheme 2009 to 10. And last one is livestock insurance scheme. With the help of these schemes, we can insure the risk. Clear? Next one is minimization of price risk. Price risk is very common for agriculture produce. When the availability of agriculture produce is increases in a market, its price becomes to decreases. So for minimization the price risk, government have some procedure to set the minimum or maximum prices. Clear? According to on the basis of this, in 1985, organization that's called the CACP, Commission on Agriculture Cost and Prices, was set up, that announces nearly more than 25, that announces nearly MSP for more than 25 crops. Clear? Next one is effective system of advertisement. If we follow the effective system of advertisement, clear, we reduce the price risk. Next one is operational hedging. Clear? With the help of speculation and hedging, we can also minimize the price risk. Clear? So this is all about the price risk, types of price risk, how can we minimize the price risk, on all these. Clear? So thank you so much. Thank you for watching.